The EXM2 monitor gives the operator the ability to program an oscillation pattern into the device. There are 3 different types of oscillation: vertical, horizontal, or combination. To program a vertical oscillation pattern, move the nozzle to the desired maximum up or down position and press the OSC button. Now move the monitor up or down to the opposite maximum vertical position and press the OSC button again. The monitor will now continuously move up and down between these 2 positions. As the monitor moves up and down, the operator can still utilize the left and right buttons to change the horizontal position, and the vertical oscillation will continue. To exit vertical oscillation, the operator can push the OSC button or push the up or down button, which will cancel the oscillation. To program a horizontal oscillation pattern, move the nozzle to the maximum desired left or right position and press the OSC button. Now move the monitor left or right to the opposite maximum desired horizontal position and press the OSC button again. The monitor will now continuously move left and right between these 2 positions. As the monitor moves left and right, the operator can still utilize the up and down buttons to change the vertical position, and the horizontal oscillation will continue. To exit horizontal oscillation, the operator can push the OSC button or push the left or right button, which will cancel the oscillation. To do a full sweeping pattern both horizontally and vertically, position the monitor to the highest desired vertical position and the farthest left or right position. When in the desired position, press and release the OSC button. Using the left-right buttons and the up-down buttons, move the monitor to the opposite horizontal position and the lowest vertical position desired. Once in position, press and release the OSC button. The monitor will now automatically rotate left and right between the 2 set positions while moving up and down vertically between the 2 set positions. To exit this oscillation mode, press and release the OSC button or press any of the up, down, or left-right buttons.